Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming leader material and strength. Pick 1220 lb for general use. Once chosen, strip any damaged fiber and cut a neat, angled end so knots seat properly. Next, form the first join, an improved clinch or FG knot, by threading the lines with a 20-30 cm overlap and wrapping 5/8 turns. Make sure to moisten the knot, pull steady tension to snug, and trim tag ends to 2-3 mm. This sets a reliable foundation. Now you move into the core execution, transitioning braid to leader or leader to terminal tackle. Once you have the wraps in place, typically 5-10 depending on line diameters, pass the tag back through the knot path and tighten slowly. Make sure to moisten the knot to reduce friction and seat wraps evenly. Uneven cinch leads to weak spots. After tightening, test with a firm pull to 50-60% of rated strength and visually inspect for misalignments or gaps so the connection won't slip under load. Finish by trimming tag ends to 1-2 mm and, if using synthetic leaders, lightly melt tips to prevent fray. Cool and recheck. Once done, perform a controlled load test by pulling progressively up to roughly 80% of the line rating to confirm strength. If you notice slippage, uneven wraps, or a loose eye, retie immediately. Try increasing wraps or switching to an FG or improved clinch variant. Remember this troubleshooting tip. Slippage usually means insufficient turns or dirty, dry line.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.